5 o'clock at the end of the day, waiting for a ride home. And then I saw you, you were a vision. I could not look away. Standing in the way was me. You said, excuse me. I said, will you marry me? You were stunned, looked at me. Our eyes met, it was eternity. Then you said, you said yes. And it was a time ago, it feels like it yesterday. A yesterday moment that changed our lives. A gentle touch, a simple line. I saw you, it was a sign, a sign. Came in a line. Sweet sound, sweet sound, sweetened by the light. A sunset, a vision before a forever night. Ooh, sweet sounds gave us love every night. Ooh, sweet sounds, those sweet sounds. Yes, 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 yes. This was not made up or a play. It was everything I could ask for. Everything, every day. Loving you, I do. Those sweet sounds came the day we met. Sweet sounds, sweetened by the light. Sweet sound gave us love every night. Oh, sweet sounds, it was a romance without a dance, not one dance. It was 5 o'clock and the end of a day, waiting for a ride home. And then I saw you, you said, excuse me. I said, will you marry me? It feels like it was yesterday, a sunset moment that changed a simple line. I saw you, was it a sign? Sweet sound, sweet sound, sweet